Guess what we're cooking up today? Some fun Valentine's kitchen decorating. Hi, my sweet friends. It is so good to see you all today, and I'm so excited about this video. We're going to be decorating my entire kitchen for Valentine's Day. And I typically split this up because it is a lot of work. But we're going to do it all together, and then at the end we're going to have a full kitchen tour. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. So let's get started. We're going to start decorating my kitchen shelves first, and I'm going to add some little mini charcuterie boards at the upper top on the wall to conceal the screws that I have on top. I just added some very simple pink Valentine themed ribbon to each.
Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me, help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you, yeah, you show me beauty and life. You put me first all the time. No wonder I'm on a high when I'm with you, when I'm with you. Oh yeah, you like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, when I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone. Oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby it's hard for me too. Oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you. Tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind. You know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself. 'Cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging, let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time, 'cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you.
I decided to add these little adorable Valentine heart stands, one on each side of the pink floor arrangement. I think that it fills it in perfectly on each side of my Valentine theme house. And this Valentine theme house does light up. Up next, I'm going to be creating a second vignette in my kitchen. And I just want to show you these beautiful little Debbie heart-shaped cakes. Now, they are filled with strawberry, and I'm here to tell you that they are delicious. And I love the way that they're decorated, and I'm going to be using them as decor, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And of course, we're going to eat them too. I really love this chocolate faux cupcake. It came in a set of 3, and you will see the next 2 that goes with this sets later on. So this is the next area that I'm going to be decorating. I will be adding those little Debbie cakes and a pink bow on this apothecary jar. this is a quick overview of the items that I'm going to use to decorate my baker's corner. Now, some of these items are items that I've owned before and some of them are new. So we're going to start by adding this beautiful festive Valentine heart wreath on the wall behind this KitchenAid. I really like using miniature wreaths in non-traditional ways, especially to add some seasonal decor into my kitchen area.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how. You can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top.
So now we're going to create another vignette on my refrigerator. And those of you that have been here with me for extended period of time know that I enjoy decorating on the top of my refrigerator. When I discovered the wonderful real estate that we have on our refrigerators, I've been decorating it ever since, and I love, love, love it. So if you've never tried decorating the top of your refrigerator, I hope that this gives you some encouragement and some good ideas of how to use your refrigerator as a decor spot in your home. I decided to add a lantern in this particular vignette to add more lighting to my kitchen because we do have a chandelier in here. And so this is a great way to add something beautiful but yet functional at the same time. I'm also going to add another component to this vignette, and this adorable little Valentine mailbox. You can also hang this on your wall, and I thought it would be perfect for this vignette. So now I'm going to add these beautiful cabbage roses to my container here that already have some baby breaths in there. And I thought this would make a perfect accent just in time for Valentine's Day. Typically, I would put a wreath on this particular door, which leads into the laundry room, but I decided to use this container this time around. I really enjoy adding beautiful florals throughout my home, whether they are real or artificial. I just like looking around my home and seeing the pops of colors and what these flowers represent, because they represent life to me. I'm also going to add this wall sign, and I'm just pointing out here that the sign says kitchen, the heart of the home. I think this saying rings true to many homes, that the kitchen is the heart of the home. So now we're going to create another vignette, which will be my final one on my kitchen island here. Now I created this floor arrangement off camera. I just used some of those same pink cabbage roses, and I'm also adding back in this little teapot here that I used during Christmas, because when I purchased it I knew that I could transition it for Valentine decor as well.
So beautiful. Time is what makes it ugly. But time after time and through every turn in this life, I could use some stability. We fly and we fall, but we don't fall apart. Break after break, each piece of my heart. Lovers have come and lovers have gone, but you still feel like right when the whole world feels wrong. They say history repeats itself, but a memory is for the shelf. Well, I replay the moments and years of our lives while I'm praying and hoping there will always be you and I. Tell me, how could two people grow? Rearrange and transpose, but it's always the same. I'm attracted to every way. Your mind and your body could ever change. We fly and we fall, but we don't fall apart. Break after break, each piece of my heart. Lovers have come and lovers have gone, but you still feel like right when the whole world feels wrong. They say history repeats itself, but a memory is for the shelf. Well, I replay the moments and years of our lives while I'm praying and hoping there will always be you and I. Over the years, the troubles are brought. Over the fears, the you and I. Over the joys, the love and the way.
so much for joining me today. I had so much fun decorating my kitchen for Valentine's Day, and I hope you had some fun hanging out right along with me. If you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to hit that like button by hitting that thumbs up. And I would love for you to share it with your family and friends and anyone that loves decorating as much as I do. So until the next video, I want to wish you all a happy Valentine's Day and happy decorating. Bye, guys.